Hi everyone! I'm happy to be back for more Pick a Better Snack classes. If you don't know me, my name is Emily, but most of you know me as Miss Emily, and today we are going to be talking about pineapples. Today we will talk about where pineapples come from, how to eat pineapples, and why they are so good for you. We will also talk about other tropical fruits. Do you have any favorites? Pineapples originated in Brazil and Paraguay, in the continent of South America. We do not grow pineapples in Maine because it gets too cold here in the wintertime. We can grow pineapples in tropical or subtropical environments such as southern Florida, southern California, and even Hawaii. You might be wondering where the pineapple got its name. Do you have any guesses? That's right. The pineapple got its name because it resembles a pine cone. Can you see the similarities? Go outside in your yard later today and see if you can find a pine cone. When purchasing a pineapple, look for a bright green top and a firm pineapple. If you happen to have a pineapple at home, you can feel the pineapple and feel how crunchy and rough it is. Again, that's that part that kind of looks like a pine cone. But we won't eat any of this part. We will eat the delicious yellow flesh on the inside. But did you know how to grow a new pineapple? Think about it for a minute. Here I will show you how to cut up a pineapple, with a parent's help of course, and also how to plant a new pineapple. First, we always use our bear claw, which means we don't get our fingers in the way. And we cut down the fruit. And I've already washed this fruit. So I washed the outside because when I push through like this, if there's any germs on the outside, they could get transferred to the inside, the part that I will eat. So we always give our good fruits a good wash on the outside. All right, so to cut this pineapple, I cut the top off. And what I do is I cut down very carefully to get all of that outer edge off. Then I will take my knife and I will cut around the core. There's a little circle right here, and that's showing the core in the center. I have a few brown spots here that I will try to avoid. So I will cut down around the core, almost like I'm cutting an apple. And this core, we will not eat. From here, I can cut my pineapple however I would like. I'm going to do little cubes of pineapple. Now it's time to learn how to plant a new pineapple. You take the crown and you peel off any excess. And then you'll want to start to peel down some of these leaves. What I'm trying to do is expose the little roots. They're very hard to see. Once the roots are exposed, we can plant this. Now we have a pineapple crown that is ready to be planted. What you would do is you would plant it in the soil to about right here, exposing only the top. But remember what I said earlier, pineapples need a tropical or a subtropical environment to thrive. So you can try this experiment at home, but I wouldn't expect to get a pineapple. So I asked you earlier if pineapples grew on trees. Did you come up with an answer? Well, they don't. Once you plant this in the ground, a new pineapple will grow out of the top of the crown. Once this is planted in a tropical or subtropical environment, it will take about 18 to 20 months to get the first fruit, and only one fruit from the plant. The next fruit will take another 15 months after that. That's a long time for a pineapple, but that sweet, delicious taste makes it worth it. Pineapples are very high in vitamin C. Everybody put up your defense shield. Vitamin C helps us fight away germs and fight away colds to keep our bodies and our immune systems healthy. So remember to keep that shield up by eating all of your fruits and vegetables that are high in vitamin C. Pineapples, red peppers, oranges, very good foods to keep your body healthy. Like all other fruits and vegetables, pineapples are also very high in fiber to keep you feeling full and to keep your stomach happy. Always remember to wash your fruits and vegetables very, very well. Let's check out the inside of this kiwi. Ooh, that looks delicious. Maybe you can make a fruit salad with your family. It doesn't matter what you put in it. You can put anything that you have. If you watched my last video, I bet you can guess who this fruit salad's for. Mmm. Mmm.